Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. Okay, so for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report under. So here the requirement is, so based on the selection I need to find the last 3 months sales. Okay, based on the selection I need to display the last 3 months sales. For example, you can see that here I have one table and one card visible and two slices. Okay, one is year slicer and another one is month slicer. So here what I'm doing, for example, if I select 2002 and month is April, means I need to display from the current month onwards. I need to switch back to last 3 months sales including current month also. So that is the actual requirement. So we'll try to do some experiments so whether it is working or not. So after that we'll try to understand what kind of logic I have written to get this expected output. Okay, so for timing I have selected 2002 and I'm in April. Now we can see, so in 2002 April, again 3 months back, March, February, January. For example, if I select July, means I need to switch back July, June, May, April. Again, for example, October means, so 2002 October and last 3 months. In case 2003 means it will change dynamically. In case 2004 means, so here why in this case it's showing only July month means, so basically in my data set I have sales up to July month 2004. So that is the reason we are able to see only 1 month only. For example, if you have entire data for 2004 also, it will display the properly. Okay, now you can select any year, so based on that it's coming last 3 months sales. So there are some cases we'll get this kind of requirement, so that is the reason I have created this video. So now we'll try to understand what kind of logic I have written under. It's very simple only. Okay, so go to test, so try to zoom in. Okay, so basically here I have declared a couple of variables. We'll try to understand one by one. So now we can see that, so first one is year value. In this, so I'm trying to capture what are the year slicer we are selecting. I'm trying to capture and storing into the year value variable. Again, so another variable, that is month value. In this also I'm trying to, what are the month name we are selecting, I'm trying to capture month number. And final variable is the result. In this I'm applying some kind of filter condition based on the values that is coming from the variables. For example, if you notice here, so year is equal to what are the year we are selecting, and month number is equal to, I have written this under condition. Okay, finally I'm returning the result. Okay, so likewise we are getting the expected output. But so there is a one issue here. Okay, so what is the issue means, for example, if I select March, means it is showing 3 months only, but as per my requirement I need to display from the selected month onwards previous last 3 months. It means that 4 months we have to show. Okay, again if I select February, means only 2 months. Again January means only 1 month. So it's not giving expected output. There are some cases. Okay, so how to resolve this kind of situations, so we'll try to see in upcoming videos. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.